free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to force quit Frozen app on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Few things are more frustrating than a frozen app that won't close. The spinning beach ball appears, nothing responds to click, and your mic feel hostage to one misbehaving application. The good news, macOS gives you multiple ways to force quit stubborn apps and get back to work. So how to do it? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our uh, MacBook here. So maybe for the example, you just open your Discord and the Discord won't close. So you have to force quit the Discord. How to do it's very simple. First, so you can do just like this. Here's the open an app. You can go to here to the Apple icon on the top of your screen on menu bar, top left. You can select on that. You'll find there is an option force quit. You can just select on that. Select on force quit. Now you can just choose on the app that you want to force quit. For example, you want to force quit Discord. You can just select on Discord and you can select on force quit. Do you want to force Discord to force quit? You can just select on force quit. So now you have closed that application from your MacBook. It's very simple, right? Or maybe if your application opened on full screen and you can access the Apple icon, you can just use command. The command you can just press command option and escape. So after that, you can just select on the app that you want to close. So you can just close on the app that you want to first quit. It's very simple, right? So that is how to first quit Frozen app on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.